Ladies first. I know what you're thinking. Good manners, right? No, for Murrah's girls basketball team, it's literal as they are #1 in the state. This morning, we hear from the team that's ranked nationally, now getting everyone's best.
I personally like being an underdog. I've never been one of the type of people who want to be undefeated or have a #1 preseason pick.
A tad late for that. Tangela Banks and her 6A defending champion Murrah Mustangs, the team to beat in girls basketball. Murrah cruised last season undefeated at home and capped it off with a win over JPS Callaway in the 6A title game. No longer Hunters, now the Hunted.
It's definitely been hard watching other teams play and how they play other teams so softly and they come to our house and just play us like doggone meat, I promise.
It changes a lot. You have to really be on your A game every game.
Everybody expects us to lose, like they don't want to see us successful and they do anything.
Banks is cash when it comes to discipline. Doesn't take it easy on anyone, regardless of gender.
Very good coach. Like she really is on us. She on us a lot about playing defense.
You got to be motivated, you know, because kids are kids. Sometimes they're going to come in sluggish and, you know, sometimes they come like they're on top of the world.
Her method has worked, winning 3 championships already this decade. This worth mentioning, Lady Mustangs ranked 25th in the nation. Her secret?
I don't know. Somebody didn't tell me because I actually don't know. I just come in, I work hard, I put in the hours.
According to the players, it all bogs down to defense.
Our pressure is mostly defensive based. It's trapping, getting the ball before they get half court.
A defensively sound team. That's basically where we are.
And that end goal
To win again, defend our championship.
All right, let's go, Murrah Mustangs. They go on the road to Memphis tonight.